Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about metalloids. What is mean by metalloids? First, see the definition. The elements which exhibit the properties of metals as well as non-metals are called metalloids. What is the meaning of definition? Which type of material exhibit the metal properties as well as non-metal properties are called metalloids. Okay. Examples: boron B, silicon Si, arsenic As, etc. Simply, metalloids means which elements are having metal property and non-metal property are called metalloids. Okay. Next, physical properties of metalloids. First one, metalloids are solid at room temperature. Generally, metalloids are solid at room temperature. Second, they can form alloys with other metals. What is alloy? A metal made by a melting and mixing two or more metals. Okay, that is a alloy. Simply, two different metals to combine form a new one is called alloys. Example, nichrome. Okay, nichrome is combination of nickel plus chromium. Okay, are you understood? Nickel plus chromium is equal to nichrome. Okay. Third one, some metalloids can act as a electrical conductors or called semiconductors. Example, silicon Si, germanium Ge. Suppose if you see, some metalloids are conduct the electricity in partial level. Okay, so that is called semiconductors. Next, silicon, for example, appears lustrous but is not malleable nor ductile. It is much poorer conductor of heat and electricity than metals. What is the meaning? Silicon is a shining material. Okay, you know. Maybe it is a malleable or ductile, that is no problem. So finally it is a poor conductor compared with the metals. Okay, are you understood the meaning? Next, the physical properties of metalloid tend to metallic, but their chemical properties tend to be non-metallic. What the physical properties of metalloids is same as a metal, then the chemical property is same as a non-metal. Okay, are you understood the meaning? Next, uses of metalloids. Silicon, yes, is used in electronic device, and boron B is used in fireworks and as a fuel for ignition in rocket. See again, silicon is used in electronic device and boron is used in fireworks and as a fuel for ignition in rocket. It is a 2-mark question. Next topic is compound. What is mean by compound? A compound is a pure substance which is formed due to the chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Okay, see again, a compound is a pure substance which is formed due to the chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Okay, it is a important one. What is the meaning? Listen carefully, students. You know the elements. Okay, example, oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen, etc. But compound means two or more elements to form a new one by a fixed ratio is called compound. Okay, are you understood? Example, CO2. C is a one element and O is a another element. Okay, so this is a compound. CO2 is a compound. Another example is sodium chloride, NaCl. Na is a one element, Cl, chlorine is a another element. So finally NaCl is a compound. Okay, examples of compound: water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, and sodium chloride, NaCl. Generally, compounds are classified into two types. First one, inorganic compounds. Second one, organic compounds. First one, inorganic compounds. Compounds obtained from non-living sources such as rock, minerals, etc. are called inorganic compounds. Example, chalk, baking powder, etc. What is the meaning? A particular compounds we are collected from a non-living things. Okay, so that is called inorganic compounds. Next, organic compounds. Compounds obtained from living sources such as plants, animals, etc. are called organic compounds. Example, protein, carbohydrates, etc. etc. What a particular compounds just we are collected from a living things. Okay, so that is called organic compound. Example, protein, carbohydrate, etc. So students, read carefully. Suppose you have any doubts, just send the message to our WhatsApp group. Okay.